Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. This braided wig right here from the TikTok shop is giving. Two combs in the front, one in the back with adjustable straps. Here's what the back looks like. It's tracks, but you cannot see the tracks at all, which I actually love this. But I actually love the style of these braids even more. It's giving real bad. Flip the wig so I can see the lace. Now I'm going to take some makeup in a level shade 9 and start putting it on the lace so I can get scalp. After putting makeup on, here's how it looks. It's giving scalp, and I'm putting the wig on. And I'm gonna start to adjust it to my head. Now I'm gonna take some hair clips and start pushing the hair going to the back so it can be easier to cut the lace off. Now I'm cutting the ear tabs. This is very easier since I push all the hair going to the back. After cutting the ear tabs, I do need to cut one braid off because right now it's just hanging there. Checking to see if I need to cut more lace off, which I do right here. Cut straight down the middle, and then I'm going to push the lace going to the back. Use hairspray and start to spread it around with your fingers and do the other side. And I'm gonna do at least 3 layers of this before I start applying it. But I'm gonna take my blow dryer on hot setting so it can get tacky. It's not that I want you here. It's not the way you said I know that I make things clear. Now I'm laying the lace down. Do this in 2 sections because it's going to be easier. As you can see my cap, so I'm going to push it down farther down. I'm gonna take my comb and push all the baby hairs going to the back to lay down my lace.
I just wanna get away and stay right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you around.
Now I'm using the end of my comb and pushing it into my skin tone. After that, I'm gonna take some more hairspray and spray it on top of the lace and start using my fingers.
Come through everything I need you. I swear it's gonna keep this feeling to myself.
I need everything to be dry, so I'm using cold settings.
Already, I'd rather stay up here. Can't get away. On trees, beach, you and everything. All I wanna do is in everything's on replay. Right next to you. You do. Try not to show. All I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want. I just wanna get away and stay right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around.
Now I'm cutting the lace using an eyebrow razor. Do this very carefully so your wig can look more natural looking. I need to cut the extra lace off before I start doing my baby hairs.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away on trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is in everything's on replay. Right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want. I just wanna get away and stay right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around.
Now I'm pulling up my baby hairs just to see how much I got, which I barely even got any because this is how it came. I wish there were more baby hairs on the side instead of like the middle piece, but that's okay. Now I'm taking my braiding gel and start to put some on the hair using the comb.
Come through everything I need you. I swear it's gonna keep this feeling to myself.
Now I'm cutting the baby hairs cut longer because you do not want to cut shorter because his hair does not grow back at all.
On trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is in everything's on replay. Right next to you.
Now I'm going to start swooping the baby hairs using the end of my finger and swooping it to my liking. Now I'm using makeup in the level shade 12 to blend in the lace. This is to get rid of the lace and look like skin.